Alright, now if you're losing airflow to your refrigerator, usually the complaint is my refrigerator is warm, the freezer is section, and there on some models is a timer, which you'll have to locate the timer. There's a small hole in the area of the controls, and you'll have to get something, a screwdriver or something that you can place in there and twist it until you hear a click. Then everything, your power will be cut to all your fans, the refrigerator will shut down. What you want to hear at that point, and this is how you diagnose the problem, is the best way is to remove all the stuff as we have here. And here is your heater, and here is your thermostat up here. The thermostat could be the issue, the heater could be the issue, or the defrost timer. If you've turned it into defrost, the heater should kick on. If it doesn't, then if it doesn't come on, then you can cut the power to the refrigerator and run an ohms test on the heater wires. So you'll undo the wires, or a continuity test rather. Undo the wires, run into the heater, set your meter to a continuity test, and if yours doesn't, if you just have an analog reader, you can just put it on any setting for ohms, and you'll test both terminals running to your heater. If you no longer allows power to the heater. If it does come on, if all the heating system comes on, but you have a layer of frost in the back of your freezer that's affecting the cooling in the refrigerator, then the timer could be the problem. It's just not cycling into defrost, and probably won't cycle out of defrost after you manually put it into defrost. So that's some quick checks you can do on your defrost system. So another thing to check on the defrost system is the visual check you can do is to look at the thermostat. This is what a good thermostat looks like. It could be bad inside, the contact's not making contact, not opening or closing, but this blue piece on top will be popped out quite a bit, and it's pretty much a given that the thermostat is the issue. Now, the check you can do for continuity with the power off, undo your harness. If there is ice buildup, you're going to track the wires and run a continuity test. If there's ice around it, it should have continuity. If there's ice around it and there's no continuity, then you need to replace the thermostat. The contacts are not working correctly.